Hello friends, today we are going to start chapter number 1 GST from the book Understanding Mathematics by ML Agarwal of class 10th. So first, what is GST? GST means Goods and Service Tax. It is an indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and services. Before GST in India, many taxes were there like custom duty, service duty, and then later on government has decided to merge all the taxes into GST. Now all over the India we have only one tax system, that is GST. Now next thing is which all types of taxes come under GST. So mainly three types of taxes are there under GST. First one is CGST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. This tax will go to the central government. Second is SGST or UTGST. SGST means State Goods and Service Tax when we are talking about the state. UTGST means the Union Territory Goods and Service Tax when we are talking about the Union Territory, and this tax will go for the state government. Third one is IGST. IGST means Integrated Goods and Service Tax. This tax will go for central government. Now when we have to apply CGST, SGST and IGST, for this we have few rules. First one, if deal is intra-state. Intra-state means within a state. Suppose a dealer has purchased an item from UP and he is selling the item in UP only. So this deal is intra-state, within a state. In this case we have to take tax CGST and SGST. Both the tax will be applicable. And second one, interstate sales. When a dealer is purchasing an item from one state but he is selling the item in another state. Now two states are including in this one state to another state. In this case the GST will be IGST and the whole tax will go for the central government. In intrastate, suppose GST is 10%. So then 5% will go for the state government, 5% will go for the central government. Here all the total 10% will go for the central government only. Next you will get these two words also in this chapter, input GST and output GST. Input GST means paid by the dealer. When dealer will purchase something, that time he has to pay GST. That GST we will call input GST. And output GST, when dealer will collect GST from the customer. When dealer will sell that item, he will collect some GST from the customer. That is output GST. Now we will discuss exercise 1. Question number 1. An article is marked at rupees 15,000. A dealer sells it to a consumer at 10% profit. If the rate of GST is 12%, find the selling price excluding of the article. Second one, amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer and the total amount paid by the consumer. First of all, read your question carefully and write what is given in question. So in this question, first MRP is given 15,000. Second thing is given, the dealer is selling that item with 10% profit. And third thing is given GST 12%. Okay, here they have not given any interstate or intrastate words. So simply we will do this question taking as a intrastate. So first part we have to find out the selling price excluding tax, means without tax. So selling price is market price plus 10% of market price because the dealer is selling at 10% profit. So 15,000 plus 10% of 15,000. So 10% of 15,000, when you will calculate, it will be 1,500. It means selling price will be 16,500. Second thing, we have to find out the tax. Tax, it is given here 12% GST, so 12% of selling price. Tax always will be applied on selling price. So selling price is here 16,500. 12% of 16,500 will be 1,980. Third part, we have to find out the total amount paid by the consumer. So So finally consumer will pay selling price plus tax. So selling price plus tax, selling price is 16,500 and tax is 1,980 rupees. Add it, 18,480 is the total amount paid by the consumer. Question number 2. A shopkeeper buys good worth rupees 4,000 and sell these at a profit of 20% to a consumer in the same state. So here deal is intra-state. If GST is charged at 5%, find the selling price excluding tax of the good. Second thing, CGST paid by the consumer. Third one, SGST paid by the consumer. Fourth one, the total amount paid by the consumer. So first, cost price of the item is given here 4,000 and the dealer is selling it at a 20% profit. So selling price will be 4,000 plus 20% of 4,000. So 20% of 4,000 is 800 rupees. So total selling price is here 4,800 rupees without tax. Second thing, we have to find out the tax. So because here it is intra-state deals within a same state, so this 5% GST, 2.5% will go for the central government and 2.5% will go for the state government. So calculate the 2.5% of selling price, 2.5% of 4,800, that is equal to 120 rupees. Next, SGST. GST goes for the state government, 2.5% of 4,800, that is also equal to 120 rupees. CGST and SGST, it will come same. Fourth part, we have to find out the total amount paid by the consumer. So consumer will pay 4,800 rupees plus CGST plus SGST, total GST. So that is equal to 5,040 rupees. Question number 3. The mark price of an article is 12,500 rupees. A dealer in Kolkata sells the article to a consumer in the same city at a profit of 8%. See, same city, it is same city means intra-state. Half GST will go for the central government, half will go for the state government. If the GST is 18%, find the selling price excluding tax. IGST, CGST and SGST paid by the dealer to the central and the state government. Third part, the amount which consumer pay for the article. This is also similar type of question. So first, mark price is given 12,500 rupees. Profit is given 8%. So selling price will be mark price plus 8% of 12,500. So 12,500 plus 8% of this, that is equal to 1,000 rupees. It means selling price is 13,500 rupees. Second part, because the sale is intra-state, it means half GST will go for central government, half will go for state government. So 9% CGST, 9% SGST. Half we have to divide. So CGST will be 9% of selling price, 13,500. Calculated. SGST also will be same, 9% of 13,500, 1,215 rupees. Third part, the total amount paid by the consumer. So total amount will be selling price plus the total GST. CGST and SGST, that will be equal to 15,930 rupees. Question number 4. A shopkeeper buys an article from a wholesaler for rupees 20,000 and sells it to a consumer at 10% profit. If the GST is 12%, find the liability of the shopkeeper. Liability means here the extra amount after selling the item the shopkeeper will give to the government. So first, CP is given 20,000, profit is given 10%. So selling price will be cost price plus the profit, 20,000 plus 10% of 20,000, that is equal to 2,000. So selling price will be 22,000 and the GST paid by the consumer will be 12%. So how much tax? 12% of 22,000, that is equal to 2,640 rupees. Now GST paid by the shopkeeper. When shopkeeper has purchased this item, that time he also had paid some GST, that is 12% of 20,000. So 12% of 20,000 is 2,400 rupees. So how much is the difference between, this is the input GST, this is the output GST. So the difference between input and output GST is the liability here. So liability will be 2,640 minus 2,400 rupees. This is the extra amount which shopkeeper has to pay as a liability. Question number 5. A dealer buys an article from a wholesaler for rupees 6,000. The dealer sells the article to a consumer at 15% profit if the sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 18%. Find the input CGST and input SGST paid by the dealer, output CGST and output SGST collected by the dealer, and the net CGST, SGST paid by the dealer, and the total amount paid by the consumer. So first, the cost price of article is 6,000 rupees. GST is given here 18%. Because the sale is intrastate, it means 9% CGST and 9% SGST. So first, when dealer will purchase, that time he has to pay some tax that will come under input. So input CGST paid by the dealer will be 9% of 6,000 equal to 540 rupees. And input SGST paid by the dealer is 9% of 6,000, again 540 rupees. Next, when he will sell this item to the consumer, that time he is selling at a 15% profit. So cost price for consumer or the selling price for dealer. We can say it selling price for dealer or cost price for consumer. So that will be equal to 6,000 plus 15% of 6,000. 15% of 6,000 is 900. So cost price for consumer will be 6,900 rupees. Consumer will pay tax on this money. So output CGST collected by the dealer will be 9% of 6,900 rupees equal to 621 rupees. Similarly, output SGST collected by the dealer will be 9% of 6,900, 621 rupees. Then we have to find out the net CGST and SGST paid by the dealer. So net CGST paid by dealer will be output CGST minus input CGST. Already dealer has paid 540 rupees. Now he has collected 621 rupees at CGST. So between these two numbers, whatever will be the difference, that he has to pay again. So now he will pay 81 rupees. Next, net SGST paid by the dealer, same thing. Output SGST minus input SGST. 621 minus 540 equal to 81 rupees. Then fourth part, the total amount paid by the consumer. Consumer will pay selling price plus the CGST and SGST. So 6,900 rupees is the selling price. Then consumer is paying 621 rupees for CGST and 621 rupees for SGST. So total 8,142 rupees consumer has to pay for this item. Question number 6. A manufacturer buy a raw material worth rupees 7,500 paying GST at the rate of 5%. He sells the finished product to a dealer at 40% profit if the purchase and the sale both are intrastate and the rate of GST for the finished product is 12%. Find input tax under GST paid by the manufacturer, output tax under GST collected by the manufacturer, and the tax under GST paid by the manufacturer to the central and state government, and the total amount paid by the for final product. Now first, for manufacturer cost price is 7,500 rupees and GST is 5%. So because this deal is intrastate, so 2.5% CGST, 2.5% SGST. Half we have to divide. So input tax will be, input CGST will be 2.5% of 7,500 rupees. 187 rupees 50 paise. And input SGST will be 2.5% of 7,500 rupees, again 187 rupees 50 पैसे. But the wholesaler is selling this item for dealer at 40% profit. So cost price for dealer will be 7,500 plus 40% of 7,500, that is equal to 10,500, and the GST for dealer will be 12%. So 6% will go for CGST, 6% will go for the SGST. So output tax, output CGST collected by the manufacturer will be 6% of 10,500 equal to 630 rupees, and output SGST will be 6% of 10,500 rupees equal to 630 rupees. Now the difference between output and input that manufacturer has to pay again. So CGST paid by the manufacturer will be 630 minus 187 rupees 50 paise equal to 442 rupees 50 paise. SGST paid by the manufacturer will be same 630 minus 187 rupees 50 paise, 442 rupees 50 paise. Next, fourth part, total amount paid by the dealer. So total amount will be selling price plus CGST plus SGST equal to 11,760 rupees. Question number 7. A manufacturer sell a TV to a dealer at rupees 18,000 and dealer sell it to a consumer at a profit of 1,500. If the sales are intrastate and the rate of GST is 12%, find the amount of GST paid by the dealer to the state government, the amount of GST received by the central government, and the amount of GST received by the state government for the amount that the consumer pay for the TV. So first, deal is intrastate, it means 12% GST we have to divide half of 6% CGST, 6% SGST. So first, manufacturer is selling to the dealer. In that case, CGST will be 6% of 18,000, that is equal to 1,080 rupees, and SGST will be 6% of 18,000 equal to 1,080 rupees. So input GST and input CGST and input SGST will be 1,080 rupees both. Next, now dealer is selling the item to the consumer. Dealer is selling this item at a profit of 1,500. So cost price for consumer will be 18,000 plus 1,500 equal to 19,500. Again CGST will be 6% of this 19,500 equal to 1,170 rupees, and SGST also will be 6% of 19,500, 1,170 rupees. So output CGST will be 1,170, output SGST will be 1,170 rupees. First part, amount of tax paid by the dealer to the state government. So take the difference between output SGST and input SGST. Output SGST is 1,170 rupees minus 1,080 rupees, that is equal to 90 rupees. Second part, amount of GST received by the central government. So central government will receive 1,080 rupees plus 90 rupees more. So 1,170 rupees. Third part, amount of GST received by the state government, that will also equal to same this only, 1,080 rupees plus 90, 1,170 rupees. Fourth part, amount paid by the consumer. So amount paid by the consumer will be selling price plus SGST plus CGST equal to 21,840 rupees. Remaining questions we will do in next video. Thank you for watching.